Banyada nek jingja basngosi tang na jingyai thang khlaw pathar khamtam hagene ka ayom batur khong bat bajur ler. District Magistrate Ri Bhoi ula Pynjari da ka kendon shispa underpulai BNSS ka bantrekam habro ka district. Habagrani ginong to kubor Abilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ka district Ri Bhoi. Ula pentip palahapan Pynjari da kini ka kendon na marga jingyo iki kubor lor ka jingplo jong ki khlaw ki betap akini kisngi hagi bobon ki banta jong ka district. Kabala bu jing mach kada e iki beriau kimerat klau bat kebakta arwai kemariang. Ulihat uru bala betha iki artli kitrat sarkar berkentup eke DFO Social Forestry bat ke Soil and Water Conservation ban kemi ibnia eke jing thang pathar iki klau. Bat ban betha iki nong ilam shnong ban penbenash bat mak ban kiar na ke jing thang pathar iki klau. Shoshoru la kerpat iki nong ilam shnong bakin kemi ibnia e dan kenu-kenu ke jing thang klau kem dan ke jing tip jong ke shnong na ke benta kenu-kenu kidau. Bala kerpat bakin pentip shkibor kaan kenang ban la ban shim iki senjam badan kam. Bala Maham tyngeh kitu kiba penkenya kene pendon an bakin ngat agajing sya penstom ke tyngeh na kaliang ke office superintendent ki pulet ke district Ri Bhoi ke lepedmi agajing kerpat kipat ba ban kiar na gajing thang pathar ki klau bat bani trilang bat kibor ka an ban yada ne kinu gajing ja besngosi komala don gajing thang klau ke beserkai ha ki babon ki benta ha ke baki pulet pendep deng ki lahap ban mi ban pendep ke deng ha ki klau boper.
Deliberate burning of forests in this dry season is a major problem faced by the district, as a result of which the district administration has issued an order under section 163 of the BNS, wherein we have prohibited all the deliberate burning of forests within the jurisdiction of the Ri Bhoi district. This we have done to protect forest regeneration, simultaneously to protect the lives of humans and wildlife, and simultaneously to prevent air pollution from taking place. The two departments which have been made responsible to enforce the same are the DFO Social Forestry as well as Soil and Water Conservation Office. However, we have also requested them to take all the local authority, that is the headmen and the Rangbashnongs of the village, into confidence. We appeal to all the headmen and the Rangbashnongs that they should cooperate with the district administration. They should take this issue seriously, and those people who are burning down the forest for whatever reasons, they should be the headmen should inform the concerned authorities who are responsible for implementation of this order, and they should report to the local police as well. With the cooperation of the local authorities only, we hope that the forest fire burning can be controlled to some extent in order to protect the lives of humans and wildlife together.